Hello my friends. Today I want to talk about a phenomenon in the table tennis world. Many of you are asking me, Coach, how is it possible that Flavien Coton is improving so fast? He is only 17 years old, but he is already winning senior WTT titles and beating top 10 players like Hugo Calderano. Is it magic? No. It is the Chinese secret applied in France. Let's look at his biography and the logic behind his success. 1. The power of the Ping family. In table tennis, your environment is everything. Flavien was born in 2008 in Lambres-les-Douay, and he didn't choose table tennis chose him. The father, a coach at his home club, CTTA. The mother, vice president of the club. The brother, Adrien Coton, also a high-level pro player. When you grow up in a club, watching your brother and parents play every day, your table tennis IQ develops 10 times faster than a normal kid. He started at 3 years old. By the time he was 10, he already had the feeling for the ball that most adults will never achieve. This is the foundation. Without this family academy, you cannot reach this level so young. 2. High volume, elite training. Many European players train like amateurs, but Flavien trains like a professional. The volume, 9 table tennis sessions and 3 physical sessions every week. The strategy, he stayed loyal to his home club, CTTA, helping them go from National 2 to the Pro A, First Division. He also travels to Oxenhausen in Germany. The quality, he is part of the new wave of French players, like the Lebrun brothers, who are not afraid of the Chinese team. They play with high intensity and focus on the first 3 balls. 3. The Iceman mental strength. This is where Flavien is truly special. If you watch his matches, his face never changes. Even if he is down 2-0 or up 10-9 at the end of a match, he is serene. In my coaching, I always say, if you lose your mind, you lose the match. Flavien has a lucidity that is very rare for a teenager. While other juniors are screaming or getting tight, he is thinking about the next tactic. This allowed him to win the U15 World Championship in 2022 and more recently the U21 European title and the WTT Tunis Senior title in 2026. 4. Technical analysis, the backhand specialist. Flavien uses Donic Blue Star A1 rubbers and a Donic Relevant blade. His style is very modern. Backhand dominance, he is a backhand specialist. He can block, punch, and counter topspin with incredible timing. Placement over power, because he is not a giant, he wins by being smarter. He moves the opponent, changes the rhythm, and uses his audacious variations to catch seniors off guard. The transition, his footwork has improved so much. He can transition from backhand to forehand faster than almost anyone in his age group. Flavien Coton is the perfect example of what happens when you combine early education, family support, and a strong mind. He is not just a talent, he is a project that was built perfectly from day one. Keep an eye on him for the 2028 Olympics. He is coming for the top. What do you think of Flavien's style? Does he have a chance to beat the Chinese top 5 soon? Let me know in the comments.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.